What's up, you guys? It's your girl and I'm back once again with another video. So as y'all know, 2025 is in literally 2 days. I just want to come into the new year with a clean space. Show you what my room's looking like right now. So over here is literally just like my mini fridge. Y'all wondering, I got this mini fridge when I went to my old school last year, but my new school did not, you cannot bring a mini fridge. So this just sits in my corner and I can have nice cold drinks and snacks in the middle of the night. So it's just perfect here. And then I have my nightstand, which has some stuff up here. My bed, dirty clothes, which we're gonna go through so we can go ahead and wash them. This, which is all my little gadgets over here. So I need to clean this off. This is where my vanity's at. This chair do not go here. This chair actually goes to my desk, but I actually sat here when I had used this chair when I was recording a video of my makeup routine, so that's why that's there. But I need to clean this and get this all situated because it looks disgusting. And then over there, I need to do something about these bags over here because they look a mess behind there and I need them out that way. Biggest tackle is the freaking closet, y'all. This is so embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. Okay, look at this closet, y'all. This is so embarrassing. Like, I cannot even walk here. I can't even like find clothes in here, but I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot of clothes because my thing is breaking. Look at this, so bad. 2024 Terrain SLE for wash and fold / put away, because although you wash, you fold, sometimes you don't put away your clothes, so you need to make sure you add that in there. Put away clothes. Okay, y'all, so we have sorted out all of our clothes, darks, towels, and lights. Y'all, this is what I was scared about. This literally came flying on me. Thank God I didn't hit my toes. But I'd rather go through this. I'm very scared. Look at this. This looks such a mess. Let's do it though. See? That's what I meant. Flashbacks to when I had my rotator cuff surgery. We're making so much progress in this closet, but I'm literally burning up. Like, I need a fan. But like, look, so far this is what we got. We got all like my old bibs and stuff over here because I'm gonna keep it just in case. Like, I don't want to throw none of this away because I might need it. But then over here I put these 2 totes and like my good memorable boxes over here. All my shoes are up there, like boots, heels. These are all heels right here, and sandals. And I'm put all my bags over there. Look at all that garbage. Finally got me some cold ice water. I'm about to drink this. Y'all, I just don't want to finish. It's like so dreading. Okay, y'all, so I'll start with the desk now. This specifically supposed to be just for my books and stuff, and then like some extra organization things, but like this is just too much clutter down here now, so I need to fix this right now. Yeah, so
Hiya!
so we have made so much progress in this room. Like, it's almost done. I'm so
Exciting!
yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna just brush my hair because it's like
Runny and messy.
it's like
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
majority of the room is done. Like, everything like is off the floor, which is very, very good. Yeah. And then I'm about to just clean this cart off and then this off and wipe it down really good and put everything back up where it goes. It doesn't really have no specific spot for it because most of the stuff is going back to school next week. So
I'm
yeah.
brushing your hair away.
Let's see. Can you put my ring in my jewelry box? Okay, y'all. So we finally finished the room. It is completely deep clean. I just finished vacuuming. I just lit the candles. Y'all can see the candles lit. It smells so good in this room. Everything is wiped down, cleaned off, thrown away, out of here. All left is to do is just fold up them clothes, and I have one more load that's in the wash for me in a dryer right now. So after I fold these, put these up, I have one more load and I'm done. But I'm now opening my case for my laptop. So let's set her up. Very cutesy. I got a clear one because I just wanted clear to show off the color of this MacBook because, like, ooh, look at the bottom of it. And this is the top of the case. It's just white bows on it, and if y'all know me, I'm obsessed with bows right now, so I just thought this was really cute. Ooh, it's just so cute. And it came with a screen protector, but I'm gonna open the screen protector accessory so I can clean off the little logo. Oh, look at this. She's so cute. And it also came with a keyboard, and the keyboard has the bows on it too, which I think is super duper cute. Look at this, y'all. This is so cutesy. I'm so happy now. I feel more safe with it now that it has a case on it, because at first I did not want to touch it, grab it, do nothing, because without a case I'm scared. I'm sorry, I'm scared for my life. But I'm not putting a screen protector on because I never put a screen protector on my laptops, but it looks super cute and I'm very happy with it. It was like, I think $17-18. Very cutesy, very worth it. I'm tired. I've been cleaning since 12 and it's 5:11. I'm done with it. We completed everything on our to-do list. I'm so happy, y'all. Candles burning. Look at the case, it's so cute, y'all. I took me an everything shower and I feel amazing. Let's give y'all an overview of how the room looks. Okay, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Give it a fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn notifications so you know if I post a video. And now I'm about to go ahead and make my 2025 bingo card and drink some tea. Good night.